angeke uze usebenze isisu si-empty guys angeke akukhona hali now uyabona ngekubukela ibhola isisu empty obvious and nabona nani we have the people who make sure ukuthi sihlezi sifull yabo so they're just going to introduce themselves kusho ukuthi abobani bakwabani and what are they doing.
Sanbonani Makaya, Lehlohonolo Kunene was a Smoke Chicken Grill House. Ngiphethe Pala no Mr. PK. These are my team members. Siyabonga ukuthi nifikile la ekhaya. And we are here just for you. We've got Smoke Chicken Grill. We are Smoke Chicken Grill House. We do quarter chickens, T-bone steaks, and sausage wors. Ihamba ngamapapa na masala tau too. So it's a full meal. It's a healthy meal. It's none of those fried chickens. It's none of that fast food. It's made with love. So come through. See us on Google. We are on Uber Eats. We are everywhere. Smoke Chicken.
Okay. So where are you guys based? So
we started out in Northern Park at Kempton Park. This week we acquired a new shop at Hatfield in Pretoria. And then we are looking to come to Randburg. So on Kent and Oak. Corner Kent and Oak. That's where we're going to be at. So look out for us. Just follow us on Instagram. We are on Instagram as Smoke Chicken Grill House. That's where we post everything. And on Facebook is Corner. So that's where we started. So we have virtual kitchens on Uber, and then our first official store is opening on the 1st or on Wednesday this week coming.
No, thank you so much. Siyabonga umsebenzi oniwenzayo bandlalane siyasutha guys mesibukela ibhola la. Kunzima kabi ukuthi uzosebenza ngapho lambile. Thank you so much.
It's such a pleasure. Thank you for having us.
Batsheleni ukuthi banganithola phi kuma socials.
Oh yeah, so Instagram Smoke Chicken Grill House, Facebook Smoke Chicken Grill House, WhatsApp, Google sikhona. If you want to do a direct order, call us up on 0843424802. Lehlohonolo Kunene.
Siyabonga.
Thank you.
Thank you.